Okay. How you will start my Amazon Amazon uh, Amazon. First, we have to create an account in the Amazon. Then first from first I will see here from the beginning. The iOS. This is iOS account. From here, we have to start. There are many options. Now I will go to the lightsail. It is very easy for everyone. This is Amazon lightsail. Now I will create instance for my WordPress site. Create instance. Just create. First I have to select my region. Which region is my for me? If this all my client in the USA, so I have to select USA or Frank Central USA. This is a two Virginia or here two Eastern Virginia. Okay, I select this location. Then US East. Then Linux. I will use Linux operating system. And there are two options, WordPress and WordPress multi-site. I just create WordPress, simple WordPress. It no need to do this. First, I will create this. After all, creating instance, I will update as usual. Here, 3.5 USD per month. First month is trial free. 500 200 MB and CPU, and go to here I take a name or instance name, create instance. Okay, this is my instance created here. After a few minutes, then I can just wait a few minutes running for this. Two options: networking, database, and networking. Okay, I see here. Just wait. I have to wait a few seconds or minute. Still. Now, okay, it's running. If I test this this one, what happened here? Go to this and am I right? My country has a very slow net connection. Although then I have to do another task. Then we will show this. We will now it's not running. I need a little task here. This is here networking. I have to create static IP. Static IP. This is a static IP. I have to attach this here. Static IP. Just create. Okay. This is a static IP. Now I hope it will run now. Yes. Okay. It's run now. Now from here or from here, I will go to the index. User user is user and password login. User you as here user, but where I have to need password. Now please see the how can I find out the password from here. It's easy, just connect. See a ticket. WordPress application password. WordPress application underscore password. Sorry, this is a no. Get. Sorry, I forgot this WordPress application password. Achha. Okay, wait a moment. Here. Gets money credential. How will it? Get Bitnami. Sorry, this is a Bitnami application password. Bitnami application password. Okay. I have to do this here. Now my video is running. Okay. Okay. I have to start again. I forgot the command line. See a ticket Bitnami underscore application underscore password. This is my password. Okay, I save this, or here I can get from here. Okay, first I save here. Okay, user, go to US here, user password. This is password. Okay. Okay, I go to my site. Where is my site? This is my site. Okay, user password is here. Password given. This is password to give. Login. Done. Okay, this is my instance. Okay, thank you for watching.